Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Charles. Today, I'm going to show you the Radiator Swings playset and how it works. Part 2.
Part 2. Okay, so we built the set. There is the set. And Charles, show this little button right here. Pull this button. That shows how Luigi pops out and in. And then twirl this around. You can twirl Lightning McQueen around. You can also twirl Mater around. And there's a gas. Show the gas. There's a gas thing. It can launch them onto the road where they go on the road. But the coolest thing about this set is it races the cars for you. So Charles, can you put both cars back here? So you push the cars back into the play set. So they are now back into the play set. And I want you to be able to see what happens. So we put them back into the play set. And then once we put them in the play set, you push the buttons. Hold on, let's start over. Okay, you push the button and it is going to turn red and then it's gonna blink and then you launch it if it's green. And then the cars go and they race. So that is how this playset works. It's one of the easiest playsets I've put together. So it's super easy to put together. It took me maybe 30 minutes with all the stickers and the pieces, maybe even 20. So highly recommend it if your kids are into cars.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye.